Welcome to the first official episode of Drive Warp by Take Flight. In this episode, we're going to drive from the extreme northern end of Dallas to the city of Greenville, which is far to the northeast of Dallas, about 1 hour away. Our drive starts on the North Dallas side street of Seedling as it winds through a small local neighborhood and comes up on Kelly Boulevard, where we're going to turn left and head north to the corner of Frankfort, where we turn right again, and now we're heading east and we're going to go into the left lane. We're going up into the President George Bush. We just crossed over Marsh. We're now on the President George Bush Tollway, also known as the PGB. The PGB is the outer ring road and is a tollway around much of the city of Dallas. And it's going to take us on a very large loop. We're going to go east and slowly work our way to start heading south. And at its farthest extent, we're going to come up on Interstate 30, where we're going to take the interchange and start heading east. The President George Bush is one of the fastest ways to get around the outer loop of the city. Because it's a tollway, but not an expressway, it has pretty good traffic most of the time. It does get busy from time to time, but especially on a day like this, it's absolutely perfect, moves very quickly, it's easy to get around and maneuver. We come over just a tiny piece of Lake Ray Hubbard as we make the interchange on Interstate 30. We're on 30 now, and now we're on the major 30 bridge over Lake Ray Hubbard, which is one of the most significant reservoirs for the city of Dallas. Now in the city of Rockwall. Interstate 30 is the primary east-west feeder interstate coming up on the city of Dallas. And in this easternly direction, it'll connect Dallas eventually out to the city of Texarkana and up north into Arkansas. In our trip today, we're heading out to the small city of Greenville. When we come up on Greenville, we're going to get off on Main Street, which is also Route 34 or Wesley. We're going to turn south when we do so and head just a tiny bit out of town before coming to a stop. 30 is only a two-lane road most of the time, well, two lanes in each direction, tends to move pretty quickly, but it can become congested pretty easily. A lot of flat, open driving out here in East Texas today. Now we're on Wesley on 34 in Greenville, coming to our destination. And there we are. That is our trip from North Dallas to Greenville. I'm glad you're all able to join us. Thanks for coming along on the ride. Remember to give us a like and crush that subscribe button. Turn on the bell and definitely head on over to our parent channel Take Flight to see our latest adventures outside of a car. Drive Warp is filmed in full 4K on a GoPro Hero 9 Black with Time Warp 3.0. I'm your host, Scott L. Miller. Thanks for joining me. I look forward to taking you along on my next adventure.